Hello, good morning, dear Cancerians. How are you guys doing? So, this is a general love reading from 1st of May till 10th of May, okay? And we will see your partner's current energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from this person till 10th of May, okay? So, your current energy, your partner's current energy right now, Cancerians, is, let's shuffle. These cards are very slippery, okay? So your partner's current energy is judgment, forgiveness. Might be this person is seeking for forgiveness from you. They did something in the past or they did something recently and they are asking for forgiveness. They are feeling like this relationship needs a judgment. This relationship, they are judging this relationship very hardly. They are now seeing each and every pro and con about this particular relationship with you or about this connection in particular. So I feel like this person is judging themselves, judging you, judging each and everything about this relationship, and they are in the zone of, okay, let's start all over again. Let's forgive each other and let's start all over again. Okay, let's clarify the judgment. Four of Swords, Knight of Wands, and Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Yes, I told you. This person did a lot of meditative. This person went to a meditative phase and they analyzed that you guys are very, very physically attractive to each other. You guys have lots of passion for each other. But I feel like there's something that is missing. There's stability is missing. Might be there is a lack of commitment in this relationship, or might be there is something that is missing in this relationship, and that is why now they want to make things right with you. Okay, now this person is feeling like, no, this is not the way this relationship should be, and that is why they are might be asking for forgiveness from you, Cancer, or they are trying to seek forgiveness from you, or maybe this person is feeling like, let's forgive each other for what we did in the past, now start again. Okay, this is their energy, this is the story behind this forgiveness. Okay, they feel like this relationship is getting passionate and physical. Everything is there, but the commitment is missing, the stability is missing, the dependability on each other is missing. That is what is happening. They have analyzed a lot about this particular relationship with particular connection, in this particular connection, and now they have came to the conclusion that let's forgive each other and let's start all or fuck all over again. Okay. Yeah. So your energy, Cancerians, is your energy, Cancerians. My throat chakra got blocked if I talk a lot. I have done 3 readings before this, and that is why. Yay! But no issues. Don't worry. So your energy, Cancerians, right now is Six of Pentacles, equal give and take. You are in this energy of, okay, if this person is giving me this much love, I'm going to give them this much only. If this person is giving me this much love, I'm going to give them this much love. So it is like equal give and take. You are in this energy of, you're watching this person. Whatever they are doing, you are doing the same. If they are saying, I love you, you are saying, I love you. If they are saying, like, I care for you, you are saying the same to them. I feel like you're not feeling it. You are just doing it. You are just right now you are in the zone of, let's see what will happen, let's see what will happen. Okay, so right now you are not in the zone of loving them. You are just watching them. You are just ready to have to put in equal efforts from your side as well. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Pentacles for the your energy, Cancerians. Is the Page of Swords, the Eight of Wands, and the Two of Cups. Yeah, might be you're spying on this person. You might be spying on this person. You are like, okay, let's see what this person is doing on Instagram, let's see what this person is doing on YouTube or Facebook or whatever the online shit going on today is going on today. So it is in today's times. So it is like you are spying on this person. You want to have a back and forth with communication with this person. You guys are talking a lot with each other, Cancerians. You guys are like, okay, you guys are might be talking to each other about your shit as well. Okay, and you guys are feeling like, yes, this is a spiritual connection, yes, this is a beautiful connection, but basically this is your energy. So I feel like you are spying on this person. You are watching their every move. You are talking to them a lot. Deliberately you are talking to them a lot because you feel like if everything is going fine, then only this will be a soulful connection, then only I will allow this person in my life. And that is why you are now doing this equal give and take. You are doing whatever they are doing. This is like this is your energy, Cancerians. Okay, so what they feel about this relationship, or you in particular, their feelings for you, Cancerians, is their feelings for you is Eight of Wands. Yeah, all they feel about you is communicate, communicate, talk, 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 talk a lot, talk about this, talk about that shit, talk about this shit. So I feel like this person feels like communicating with you each and everything. They feel like talking to you is a therapy for them. Talking to you is like a beautiful energy coming towards them for them. Okay, all they feel about you right now is fast and furious connection, fast and furious communication. Sorry, this is like a past energy. This is kind of momentum. This relationship is gaining momentum in day by day. This relationship, these feelings are gaining momentum day by day, and these are positive feelings. All they feel about you right now is to talk to you, talk to you, talk to you about everything. Okay, let's clarify the Eight of Wands. Let's clarify the Eight of Wands. Page of Cups, Eight of Swords, and the Judgment. Again, the Forgiveness card is here. So I feel like this person is developing new feelings for you. They were in the mental, emotionally they were guarded. Emotionally they were like, okay, emotionally they are like, not emotionally, sorry, mentally. So it is kind of, they are developing feelings for you. Their heart is telling them that yes, they have feelings for you. They are developing beautiful feelings for you. Their mind is telling them, no, 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 this is not correct. This is not the right thing to do. This is kind of jail. This is kind of trauma that you will go through in the future. So it is kind of judging. They are judging. They are judging between these two situations. Okay, and that is why they are talking to you constantly. They are having back and forth communication with you, because they feel like this is the right thing to do. This communication will bring out the answers that they are seeking for, whether they are developing, whether they have feelings for you or not. This is what is happening, Cancer. What they want from you, what they want from you, let's see what they want from you. The Temperance. Balance. They want balance in this relationship. They want emotional balance in this relationship. I feel like this person is not a drama queen or drama king. I don't know what the opposite of drama queen is. So I feel like this person hates drama, and that is why they are like trying to balance out the emotions. They just want this relationship to be balanced in every way, in physically balanced, mentally balanced, emotionally balanced. All they want from this relationship is balance. Okay, let's clarify the Temperance. What kind of balance they are seeking for right now from you or from this relationship in particular, or the connection. The Empress in reverse, Three of Swords, and the Temperance again. Okay, I feel like I feel like this person hates when there is something that is lacking creativity or beauty, or this person doesn't like it if something is not going their way, okay? And that if there's something that is off, there's something that is not going according to their way. This that made them sad, that makes them sad and unhappy and lost sometimes, and that is why they try to balance out their emotions. I feel like this person is kind of very emotional person in nature, and they feel like if I show these emotions to the other person, they will feel like overwhelmed, or they will feel like I'm a drama queen or king, or they will feel like they will run away or something like that. So this lack of creativity, this lack of might be communication, or this lack of openness, this is the right word, this lack of openness is making them heartbroken and making them sad. And that is why they are trying to balance their emotions. That is why they want their person to be emotionally stable. That is why they want balance in this relationship. This is the story behind this card. Okay, so what to expect from this person till 10th of May? What to expect from this person till 10th of May? Their actions towards you till 10th of May. Their action towards you till 10th of May is Cancerians. Ace of Cups, beautiful love offer coming towards you. They will tell you that they love you. Whoa. So Cancerians, I feel like this person will eventually open up and tell you that they love you very much. They want to have a brand new love beginning in this relationship. Okay, if they have not committed to it, if they haven't told you that they love you, now they will tell you them that. And if they have already told you that they love you, now there will be a brand new emotional beginning in this relationship by 10th of May from their side. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Cups. Beautiful energy coming towards you, Cancerians. After a long time, I feel like you guys are happy now. Yeah. Eight of Cups, the Fool, and the Lovers. So I feel like this person was walking away from the emotions in the past. This person was not emotionally balanced in their life in the past. Now they are ready to have a brand new beginning. Now they are ready to have a brand new beautiful beginning with you, and they want to love you a lot. They want to give you all the love of the universe. And I feel like you could be dealing with a Gemini because this is the lover card. Lover's card is here. So it is like Cancerians. Now this person is ready to have a brand new beginning with you, because in the past they were walking away, might be from you only, or you were walking away from them, but now they are sure about this relationship. Now they are taking the risk with you. Now they are taking this leap of faith with you, that now they are feeling like yes, they love you, and they want to have a brand new relationship, a brand new beginning in this relationship with you. A whole brand new person or personality is coming towards you. The same person with new personality, with new emotions. Okay, so let's pull one card as an advice, or what is coming towards you till 10th of May from an oracle deck. Yeah, this person is going through a lot of emotional turbulence in their life, and that is why they are trying to balance each and everything. Dear Cancerians, tell your person that you can't handle each and everything in your life. You just have to be a little patient and flexible. Oh, yeah. Passion. Okay. So, what's coming towards you by 10th of May is passion, insane chemistry, like each other equally, and having fun. Yay, this is good. This is so good, Cancer. After so long, I can see that you guys are finally happy. So, thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. And namaste. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Anjali Tarot. Love you all.